What's the trick? I wish I knew. I'm so done with thinking through all the things I could have been, and I know you wanted to.
The fifth one, I want to introduce you is grocery bag grip. I have printed 3 kinds of bag grip. Which one do you like? Okay, I'll introduce you one by one. For this one, after you print it well, you should polish it quite well to make it smooth and neat, or otherwise it will harm your hand. But this one is quite easy to handbags. For this tool, you can handle about 25 kilograms or more. Use it like this, or if you have more bags, you can put it put it on this side and put another here, and also use one here, so you can handle 3 bags. For this one, you can enlarge it according to your hands. It is quite suitable for a man's hand when you enlarge it. And for this one, it's suitable for ladies like me. I'll try it. Very easy to put them in. And do it like this, so it will not harm your fingers and also save your strength. For this, I feel it's like it's small. It's heavier than I use this one. So if you want to save your strength or protect your finger, you can use this tool. Very useful. The 6th one I want to share with you is a print box. I can close it and open it. Print this one is very easy and useful, and also saves a lot of money. When you print things, most models will be single color, right? So you can choose it to be white color and paint it at any color with any color you like. And also, if you want to use it for a long time, you need to make the infill rate here. For me, I set the infill rate to be 60%. And another tool is a pen stand. So it can be used like this. When you are tired, you can put your pen here and have a break. Okay, let's try this first. Okay, you can paint with any color you like. So use this one, and it will be very easy for you to use many colors. Okay, and when you want to have a break, put it here and wait it to be dried, and then paint with another color. The 7th one I want to share with you is cable manager. we have different designs. You can set it according to your need. How many cables you have, you can sell how many holes. Okay, our usage like this. Here I have 4 cables, so I use this kind of design, same as this one. And here we have a new design. Also, you can zoom it or enlarge it according to your needs if you have many more cables. This one can be apart like this. And to make them together. Okay, it's very easy to use. So when you print it, you can polish it to be very smooth and neat so that it can be tied very easily. Also, if you want to use it for a long time, the infill rate needs to be a little bit high. For me, I set it to be 30%. The eighth one I want to introduce you is a drawing toy, also a tool to release your stress. Maybe you use it before or see it before. It can be printed by our 3D printer. I will show you how to draw a picture with it, okay? First, make it stable on a paper. Then, match it. Then put your pen here and start drawing like this. Okay, if you are familiar with it, you can draw it faster. Now it's already formed a beautiful circle picture. Okay, see the photos I drawn, and also here, this is the photos I drawn before. This way is also very easy to print with our printer. So if you like it, you can print it and draw the picture by yourself. Also, the infill rate, I put it like 60%. Notice it. If you make it very solid, you can use it for a long time. The above tools are all the tools I want to share with you. Thank you for watching our program. If you think they are helpful and useful, remember to subscribe our channel and like our video. All the tools were printed by our own printer, Geeetech printer. In the future, we will share more interesting and useful printworks for you. So subscribe our channel, and also if you want to know more about our 3D printers, you can visit our official website. For our next episode, we will share you a site of chess. And in our next episode, we will show you the whole process to print the chess. You can see clearly how we print it and the settings we do for it. Okay, see you next time. Bye. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.